Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to trade in habbo. So basically you can trade in habbo from player to player. Habbo has a secure trading system. You can trade items without a fear of them being stolen. Remember, you must have a trading pass in order to trade with other habbos. You will find some answers to common trading questions, like how do I know if another player is allowed to trade or not? While you can't see if another habbo is able to trade or not, you can see if you are able to buy, checking your achievements for the trading pass badge. And how do you trade items? Right click on the player that you want to trade with, then select trade from the avatar context menu. Okay, what requirements are there to trade using the avatar context menu? You need to have a trading pass. You cannot be trade locked. Okay, and if you want to open a direct trade with another habbo, if you satisfy the above requirements, if you satisfy the requirements, click on the habbo that you want to initiate a trade with to open the avatar context menu. Then you'll be able to see the trade option. If you satisfy the requirements, clicking trade will send a notification to the avatar that you want to trade with. It will also open the trade window on your screen, and the other habbo needs to accept the trade request, after which you will both be able to trade. So if you want to know basically how to trade, satisfy the requirements and then click on their avatar that you want to trade with, and then they need to accept your request, and then the trading process will start. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.